You guys listen up. Today we're talking about a game changer in the business world, ONPASSIVE. This company will be absolutely crushing it, and I'm going to break down exactly why. We're diving deep into the strategies, the tech, the whole 9 yards that's catapulting them to success. This isn't just about understanding their success though. It's about you. This is about giving you, the entrepreneurs, the hustlers, the dreamers, the actionable insights to replicate that success in your own ventures. We're talking real-world strategies you can implement to level up your business game. So, buckle up because we're about to unpack a treasure chest of knowledge. We're talking AI, automation, customer relationships, innovation, community building, the works. This is the kind of stuff that separates the players from the spectators. Let's get after it. But first, please a moment and subscribe to this channel. I would appreciate it. Also, like and comment below. Thanks. Let's talk AI, guys. This isn't some futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's now. And ONPASSIVE is leveraging the heck out of it. They're using AI to make smarter decisions, automate tasks, and personalize the customer experience. AI can analyze massive amounts of data in seconds. ONPASSIVE can identify trends and optimize strategies in real time. It's about being insanely effective. Imagine knowing what your customers want before they do. ONPASSIVE is using AI to dominate their market. You can do it too. Tons of AI tools can revolutionize your business. Don't sleep on this, folks. AI is the future, and ONPASSIVE is living proof. Embrace it, learn it, use it to crush your goals. Time is your most valuable asset. ONPASSIVE gets it. They've gone all in on automation, automating entire business processes. Tedious, repetitive tasks suck up your time. ONPASSIVE automates it, freeing up their team, marketing, customer support, even sales. Scale your business faster and more efficiently. And guess what? You can too. Countless tools can streamline your operations. The name of the game is leverage. Automation gives you leverage to do more. ONPASSIVE is proof that it works. Look, we all know customer service matters, but ONPASSIVE takes it to a whole other level. They've built their entire business around providing an exceptional customer experience. I'm talking personalized interactions, 24/7 support, and going above and beyond to solve problems. When you treat your customers like royalty, they become your biggest advocates. ONPASSIVE understands that their customers are the lifeblood of their business. They've created a culture where every single employee is obsessed with delivering value and exceeding expectations. And you know what? That kind of dedication pays off. Happy customers are loyal customers. They tell their friends, they leave positive reviews, and they keep coming back for more. This isn't rocket science, guys. It's about building real relationships with your customers and showing them that you actually give a damn. The business world moves fast, and if you're standing still, you're falling behind. ONPASSIVE knows this, and they've made continuous innovation a core part of their DNA. They're constantly developing new products, refining their services, and exploring cutting-edge technologies to stay ahead of the curve. This isn't about chasing shiny objects, it's about anticipating the needs of their customers and adapting to the ever-changing market landscape. By embracing innovation, ONPASSIVE is able to maintain its competitive edge and solidify its position as an industry leader. Here's the takeaway. Innovation doesn't have to be some grand, revolutionary thing. It can be small, incremental improvements that add up over time. The key is to never stop learning, never stop experimenting, and never be afraid to disrupt your own business. ONPASSIVE understands the importance of community. They've cultivated a strong network of partners, affiliates, and customers who are all invested in each other's success. This isn't just some feel-good marketing fluff. It's about creating a genuine ecosystem where everyone supports and elevates one another. ONPASSIVE provides its community with valuable resources, training, and opportunities to connect and collaborate. This fosters a sense of belonging and shared purpose that is incredibly powerful. Building a strong community takes time and effort, but the rewards are immense. When you have a tribe of passionate supporters behind you, anything is possible. So, how do you build your own tribe? Start by providing value, engaging authentically, and creating a space where people feel seen, heard, and appreciated. There you have it, folks. The blueprint for success, ONPASSIVE style. We talked AI, automation, customer obsession, relentless innovation, and the power of community. These aren't just buzzwords, They're the fundamental principles that are driving ONPASSIVE's incredible growth. But here's the deal. Knowledge without action is useless. Don't just consume this information, internalize it. Choose one of these strategies and commit to implementing it in your own business. Remember, success leaves clues. ONPASSIVE is killing it. And now you have the insights to do the same. Go out there, execute, and crush it. For more information about ONPASSIVE and how to find success on the internet, please go to the description below. Thank you and have an awesome day.